Hello, everyone, and welcome to my new podcast for English learners. My name is Tom, and I'm happy to talk to you today. Today, we're talking about a very popular topic: online shopping. Many people prefer to buy things on the internet. It is very easy, comfortable, and save a lot of time. You only need a computer, a smartphone, or a digital tablet. An internet connection is also necessary for this process. I usually shop online when I am at home. Sometimes I sit on my sofa with a cup of hot tea. It is much better than walking around crowded supermarkets. You do not need to stand in long queues near the cash desk. Websites are open 24 hours a day, every single day. You can choose products in the morning or late at night. This is wonderful for people who work all day long. Let's look at how this interesting process actually works. First, you need to choose a good website or a special application. The first step of online shopping is finding the correct item. I open the main page of a popular clothing website. At the top of the screen, there is a search bar. I type the word sweater into this blank search field. The website shows me hundreds of different autumn and winter sweaters. I can use filters to make my search much faster. Filters help to choose the color, size, material, and price. I select a blue color because it is my favorite. My size is medium, so I click on the letter M. I want a cheap product, so I sort by lowest price. The screen changes, and I see the best options for me. I click on a picture of a nice knitted blue sweater. A new product page opens with more detailed information. Here I can see several bright photos from different angles. There is also a short description of the fabric and quality. It says the sweater is made of soft, natural cotton. I always check the size chart before making a decision. Different brands often have different sizes for their clothes. It is a good idea to measure your body with a tape. This helps to avoid mistakes and protects against wrong choices. I'll look at the price, which is $25. There's a small red sign that says 15% discount. That means the original price was higher than today. I love discounts because they help me save my money. This sweater looks perfect for cold days in the evening. The style is classic, simple, and matches my favorite jeans. I think this item is exactly what I'm looking for. Finding things online is simple when you use the search filters. Let's move to the next step of our shopping trip. We need to look at what other buyers think about it. Before I buy anything, I always read the customer reviews. Reviews are opinions of people who already bought this item. They write honest comments below the main product description. Customers also give stars from 1 to 5 for the quality. 5 stars means the product is excellent and people are happy. 1 star means the item is bad or has some problems. This blue cotton sweater has 4.8 stars overall. That is a very high rating for an online clothing store. I scroll down the page to read the text comments. One customer writes that the color is exactly like the photo. Another person says the material is soft and very warm. A man named John uploaded a real picture of the sweater. Real photos help to see the true appearance of the fabric. Some reviews say that the sweater is a bit large. This is very important information for my final choice. I decide to keep the medium size because I like loose clothes. Sometimes people complain about slow delivery or bad packaging. I check the negative reviews to know the potential risks. Fortunately, there are only 2 bad comments about this item. Most people are completely satisfied with their purchase this month. Reading reviews saves you from buying bad quality things online. It gives me confidence that the website is honest and safe. I am ready to make my final decision about this clothing. The product has good ratings and many positive recommendations. My choice is ready, and I am happy with the information. I click the big green button that says Add to Cart. The shopping cart is a virtual basket for your selected goods. You can put many different items there before you pay. My cart now has one item inside, ready for checkout. Let us look at how we can finish our order. I click on a small shopping cart icon at the corner. A new window shows a list of my selected products. I see the blue sweater, the size, and the quantity. The quantity is 1, which is enough for me today. If you change your mind, you could delete items here. There is a button with a trash can icon for deletion. Below the product list, I see the total price of shopping. It shows $25 without the cost of delivery. I notice a small box that asks for a promo code. A promo code is a secret word for an extra discount. Sometimes shops send these codes in their email newsletters. I check my email inbox on my smartphone for active codes. I find a welcome message from this website with a code. The code word is Welcome10 for new registered members. I copy these letters and paste them into the specific box. Then I click the button that says Apply Code. The website calculates the new price automatically in 1 second. My total price decreases by another 10% after this. The final cost of the sweater is $22. This is a very good price for a cotton sweater. Saving money makes the shopping experience even more pleasant. I am satisfied with the final sum on my screen. Next, I click on the button that says Proceed to Checkout. This is the official start of the payment process. The website asks me to log into my account. I enter my personal email address and my secret password. New users have to create a new profile on this step. Registration takes only 2 minutes and requires basic details. Having an account helps to track your future packages easily. Let us proceed to the next important part of shopping. The website asks for my full name and shipping address. I type my first name, Tom, and my last name. Then I write my street name, house number, and apartment. It is necessary to include the city and the postal code. The postal code helps the post office find your district. I also enter my phone number for the delivery driver. The system offers 2 different types of shipping methods. Standard delivery takes 5 working days and costs $3. Express delivery takes only 24 hours but is very expensive. Express shipping costs $15, which is too much. I am not in a hurry, so I choose standard delivery. The total sum is $25, including the shipping fee. After the address, I need to select a payment method. There are several popular options for online financial transactions. You can pay with a credit card or a debit card. Digital wallets like PayPal are also very common and secure. I prefer to use my regular plastic debit card today. I carefully enter the 16-digit number from the front side. Then I write the expiration date, which is the month and year. I turn the card to find the 3-digit security code. This code is called CVV and sits on the back. It is important to keep this code private from other people. My bank sends a security code to my smartphone via SMS. I type this code into the website to confirm the payment. The screen says Processing Payment. Please wait a few seconds. Then a big green check mark appears with a success message. The text says, "Thank you for your order, Tom." The website sends an official receipt to my email address. My bank account sends a notification about the spent money. The financial part is finished, and the order is complete. 2 days after my payment, I receive a new email. The online shop says they shipped my blue sweater yesterday. The message contains a special number called a tracking number. A tracking number allows you to follow your package journey. I copy the number and open the delivery company website. The system shows that my package is in the main sorting center. It is interesting to see how the parcel travels across countries. On the fourth day, the status changes to out for delivery. This means the courier has my package in his delivery van. The courier will arrive at my house sometime this afternoon. I stay at home and wait for the doorbell to ring. At 2 o'clock, a friendly courier knocks on my front door. He holds a medium-sized brown cardboard box in his hands. I sign a paper document to confirm that I received it. I thank the courier and take the box into my kitchen. Opening the package is always the most exciting part of shopping. I use scissors to cut the protective plastic tape carefully. Inside the box, the sweater sits in a transparent plastic bag. I take the sweater out and touch the soft cotton fabric. The blue color looks beautiful, vibrant, and exactly like the picture. I put the sweater on to check the size and fit. It fits me perfectly, not too tight and not too big. The quality is high, the seams are strong, and it is warm. I am very glad that I read the customer reviews before. This online shopping experience was successful and very easy for me. Online stores make our life simple and full of great choices. I hope this podcast helps you understand shopping words in English. You can use these phrases next time you buy something online. Thank you for listening to my stories today. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode of my English Learning Podcast. There are huge global marketplaces and small local online stores. You can find clothing, books, electronics, and even fresh food. It is important to choose trusted shops with good security. In this podcast, I want to teach you some useful words. These words will help you buy things on foreign websites. You can practice your English and do your shopping together. Do you like online shopping, or do you prefer traditional stores? Think about this question while you listen to my stories. I have 6 short scenes about my own shopping experience. Each scene has a lot of basic vocabulary for beginners. Listen to my pronunciation and repeat the words after me. Are you ready to start our virtual journey into this world? Grab your notebooks, sit down comfortably, and enjoy the audio. Let's open our first website and see what happens.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.